everyone, our group consists of 4 members, Ling, Wing, Yi, and me, and today we will cover the essentials of computers. As you know, computers are electronic machines that can accept data in a certain form, process the data, and give the results of a processing in a specified format as information. Hardware and software are the basic components of a computer system. It's playing an important role in its functioning. Here's the comparison between the two. First is the electronic and mechanical parts that make up a computer system are called hardware. Some example, mouse, CPU, screen, or keyboard are called hardware. And second is information in the form of data and programs called software. It will include software applications like Google, Word, or Photoshop, and software systems like Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. Computer essentials consist of 3 main sections. First, CPU, second, the main memory, and third, the peripherals.
Dear CPU, I'm here to give you something you can need to know about CPU. The arithmetic and logic unit and the control unit of computer system are joined together to make the CPU. You can understand that the term CPU relates to specific chip or processor, which may be considered as the brain of computer, where a more of work of the computer is done with the help of CPU. So the main role of CPU is process all data, such as calculating the difficult task at the seconds, executing the instruction like searching for data, playing game, running the software. All the work is done by CPU. How CPU performs their task? At the time of executing data, the CPU performs the task will be give the instruction like open the folder, open the browser, play the video. The all things are instructions provided to the CPU to perform the task for user. There are some arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, etc. There are the algorithm. Without the CPU to fully able to perform the task. Without an algorithm, the CPU is nothing to do anything. Without an algorithm, the CPU is nothing to do anything.
I will tell about the 2 types of main memory in the computers, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, and ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. They are both essential for the computer to function, but they have a different role and characteristics. RAM is memory that stores data and programs that computers is currently using or working on. RAM is a type of volatile memory, which means that it loses its contents when the power is turned off. RAM is also fast and easy to use, as it allows the data to be accessed and modified in any order. ROM is the memory that stores the data and programs that the computer needs to stop and operate. ROM is a type of non-volatile memory, which means that it retains its content even when the power is turned off. ROM is also slow and hard to use, as it only allows the data to be read and not modified. In conclusion, RAM and ROM are both important types of memory in a computer. but they perform different functions. The main memory holds the instruction and data which are currently being processed by CPU. And that's my presentation. Please follow my team for the next one.
The next computer essential is the peripheral. Peripheral devices are internal devices that provide inputs and outputs for a computer system. They can be connected to a computer to add functionality. The peripheral include storage device and input-output device. About storage device. Storage device is hardware that is used for storing, porting, or extracting data files. For example, floppy disk, hard disk, compact disk, USB flash drive. The next is the input device. An input device is a hardware device that transfers data to a computer system and allows us to control it. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, barcode reader, microphone, light pen, and more. And the last is the output device. An output device is a hardware that receives data from a computer and then translates that data into another form. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, electronic screen. Example of input and output device operation. When entering the word hello from the keyboard, the screen receives the signal and displays the word hello on the screen.
First, data is fed into the computer's memory, and then when the program is run, the computer performs a set of instructions and processes the data. Finally, we can see the result, the output on the screen or printed form.